All right, just to show you another way you could have written this, and this is I've seen in some books when I was reading Java 8. I'm going to take I'm just going to basically rewrite this exact same method. I'm going to say here, so sometime you might see this syntax. I'm going to say here public static. I'm going to say here function. Okay, this function will take in a string as a parameter, and it's going to return a state. Okay, and I'm going to call this, I'll call this conv version, I'll call it I don't know, I'll call it map to state. I'll call it that. Now, I'm just going to stop it here for a second. I want you to realize this is literally the same signature. I take in a string, I take in a string. I return a state, I return a state. Just to prove it to you, let me now give it a body. I'm going to say equal, and usually the standard is to make it E. I'm going to say here curly brackets and curly brackets here. This is the body. I'm going to literally just copy this whole thing right here. Boom. Just copy this whole thing. Oh, this is only complaining because here I called it E. So let me just make this row now also. So what I'm trying to show you is this is literally the same thing. I'm going to save it and just show you how you would use it in the utility here. So notice I have state conversion. This is the thing that drove me crazy when I first read it. That is a, I don't want to say instance variable, it is a class variable. And the way we reference class variables, we say dot and map to state. Okay. When I did colon colon, it was because it was a function. Okay. But this is actually, the data type is a function, but it happens to be a class member. So I'm referencing it just like I would do any other class member by saying dot. If I were to run this, I get the exact same thing here. Okay, so either one is fine. It's up to you which one you like better. I just in case you see as you're reading so Java 8 manual and up, you might see that syntax. So either of them is fine. All right, so I'm trying to think. Yep, that was it for now, and we'll continue more in the next video.